There's nothing more therapeutic than home-cooked food. While talking about home-cooked food, there's also a vegetable component. Today, let's use an unusual vegetable, a raw jackfruit, and make a thoran. Let's begin. Raw jackfruit is seasonal, but you also kind of get it available in cans or in the deep frozen section in a store. But if you are kind of experimental just like I am, I've also shown you a video on how to break it down completely into the final edible part of a raw jackfruit. The link you may find below. But for the ones who want it really quick, simple and easy, frozen or canned just about works perfectly. First things first, we're going to make like a coconut mixture in mixer grinder. Once that's done, we're going to cook it and process it in a certain way. Couple of cloves of garlic, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, untoasted, green chillies, of course, with the stalks removed. Just break this into a couple of pieces like so. And this now gets ground into a coarse paste without water. Well, that's how it should be. Your cubed, roughly cut pieces of raw jackfruit look somewhat like this. If they're in the can or frozen means partially cooked, you can begin the recipe directly. You can avoid the pressure cooking completely. But for now, let's begin with the pressure cooking. And to this, some water and salt. You give this a quick stir. You cover this. Let's turn the flame on, whack this on a complete high and give this 3 whistles. Once the pressure subsides completely, let's open this and have a quick check. Once this becomes fork tender like this, consider the jackfruit well cooked and ready to use. Using a potato masher, let's mash the raw jackfruit so that this kind of splits up into these edible fibers. Once the jackfruit is boiled, shredded and ready, we begin with coconut oil. Before the oil heats up, let's add in the urad dal. This is added at a slightly warmer oil temperature because we do not want it to start burning immediately on addition. Once this just kind of begins to fry, we'll add in black mustard seeds. Along with this, asafoetida, a couple of red chilies. Once these kind of start leaching their color like so, we'll add in curry leaves. And along with this, the shredded jackfruit. Along with this, the wet paste that we just created a while back. And without further ado, we start mixing all of this and bringing the flavors together. The residual water in the fibers of jackfruit are enough to ensure that this further cooks well. On low flame, we mix this well and cover this and cook this for a further 5 to 7 minutes. With this, off goes the flame. Let's have a quick check. Well, lovely. It's got those wonderful soft fibers, the flavor of coconut, the spice that comes in from the green chilies, and the bite that comes in from the urad dal. A combination of all of this is lovely to say the least. With this, ladies and gentlemen, your raw jackfruit thoran, authentically known as Idichakka Thoran, is done and ready. While this goes amazingly well with fulkas, with Malabar paratha, with sambar rice, but what actually now comes to me is you can also add in a little bit of potatoes boiled. You can make quick cutlets, pan fry them, make wonderful snacks out of these, or you can add this in tacos, you can add this in some rolls, make some quick little rolls and also serve this to your family and friends. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.